Okay. Next we're going to do 1415 SP Game Used double box break number 32. This ended on January 27th. Current date and time. As far as eBay is concerned, Wednesday, January 28th, 2015, 5:25 p.m. Pacific time. Alright. Good luck. The boxes you guys didn't pick for your boxes you didn't pick. Alright, good luck everybody. For the Tampa Bay Lightning auto rookie Jonathan Drouin. Jersey for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Sidney Crosby. Rookies for the New York Islanders, 50 of 59, Brent Gallant. Number 2, the jersey number. Jersey, Authentic Fabrics jersey for the Los Angeles Kings, Jake Musin. This is number 32. For the St. Louis Blues, David Backus jersey. Are you in number 32? Oh, here we go. Number 3 of 149. Authentic jersey, ink rookie sweaters. Tubu Terabayan.
Are you counting it?
Sure. 17 of 26, Matt Molson, the Buffalo Sabres. Did you miss the first pack? For the Montreal Canadiens jersey, PK Subban. Triple Authentic Fabrics for the Quebec Nordique, Michel Goulet, Olin Nolan, and Mark Tardif. This will go to Colorado. For the Chicago Blackhawks jersey, Brent Seabrook. Okay, so you saw your Drouin then, eh? Okay, congratulations everybody. Let's get this uploaded and we'll do the case. Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
Well, I think I need some.